Not all CBD products are created equal, and the industry is not regulated by the FDA. So how do you know if the CBD product you're buying is high quality? Third-party lab results. Think of them as an ingredient list. There's a lot to take in. The 4 main things you should look at are the amount of CBD. You want to make sure the bottle contains the accurate amount of CBD that you purchase. So if you bought a 500 milligram tincture, you'd want to know you're actually getting 500 milligrams of CBD. The amount of THC. All hemp-derived CBD products should contain less than 0.3% THC. Your lab report should show that there's only minimal traces in your product. Is it full spectrum or CBD isolate? Full spectrum products include more than just CBD, such as other cannabinoids like CBG, CBN, and terpenes. If you bought a full spectrum product, make sure the lab report reflects that. There are companies out there that falsely advertise CBD isolates as full spectrum. Lastly, the level of bad things you don't want. You want to make sure all of these show non-detectable. At Populum, transparency is part of who we are. To make it easier for customers to know what they're getting, we include a copy of the latest lab report in every single shipment. Third-party testing is an excellent way to know that you can trust you're getting what you pay for and that the product is high quality and safe. But no matter who you buy CBD from, it's important to know what's in it.